Frigidaire dehumidifiers are not currently on the official recall list. There have been no official recalls of this product from the manufacturer. However, there have been reports of defects from customers, and these have been addressed by the manufacturer. People who own a Frigidaire dehumidifier should be aware of the potential risks associated with the product. This is especially true if the dehumidifier is older, as the manufacturer may have made improvements to the model over time. Any issues discovered should be reported to the company to help ensure that its products remain safe for consumers. For those who are interested in learning more, the company's website offers helpful information about the product and its features. Customers can also contact the company directly with any questions they have or concerns about the product. Further, the company offers the money-back guarantee with any purchase, so customers can be confident that their purchase is covered in case of defects. The Frigidaire dehumidifier is still available on the market, though users should take precautions when using their product. It is important to also check the manufacturer's website for any possible recalls to ensure the safety of the product. The company may also offer a warranty with the product, which could help in any case of defects or breakdowns. The company is also proactive in addressing customer issues and has a good reputation for responding quickly and fairly. Furthermore, the company encourages customers to contact them if they encounter any issues with the product. For those who are unsure if their product is on the recall list, it may be helpful to contact the company directly. The Frigidaire dehumidifier is a reliable product for those looking to reduce humidity levels in their home or office. The product is designed to provide efficient performance and make the environment more comfortable. Its design is also compact and does not take up too much space, making it ideal for small spaces. Additionally, the product can be easily installed, and the instructions are straightforward for customers to follow. While the Frigidaire dehumidifier is not currently on the recall list, users should still take the proper precautions when using the product. Regularly checking the manufacturer's website for recalls and other important updates is important to ensure the safety of the product. Customers may also want to check online reviews to get a better understanding of the product's reliability and performance. The company also offers helpful resources on its website for customers who may be experiencing issues or have other questions. Additionally, Frigidaire has a strong customer service system in place so that customers can easily access help from the company. The Frigidaire dehumidifier is a reliable product that provides efficient performance and ease of installation. The product is also designed to provide comfort and reduce humidity levels in the environment.